After commissioning the high fire, this is what the flame should look like on the Boat Bubble 1. I've stopped it now, have I? I've pressed it again. Right, when the high flame has been set and is established, turn the oil flow control down and the flame will fall accordingly. The low fire should stabilise with blue flames impinging on the central catalyser. The central catalyser will be glowing dull red, the top ring will be glowing dull red, as can be seen here. Recheck the high fire, increase the oil flow rate and watch the flame increase. Here you can see the flame growing in less than 10 to 15 seconds. Recheck the low fire. And you can see the flame falling again in a similar manner.